For the Mercury X, this preset pack has 34, 35 presets, and in the zip file, when you it'll have a something for the it'll have a preset for like just a copy of like my whole pedal, really, and then there'll be another library there available for you that's just the preset pack. So it'll be one is the preset pack plus how I have all my other stock stuff set up, and then I have one that's just the actual preset pack as a file. So you guys, if you didn't want to have to import, the whole, you know, all the stock stuff, I do have my stock settings set up slightly different in different ways, but so that is available to you. But if you just wanted my settings, they were there. So I didn't want you guys, and I don't resell you the stock presets. I just include how I have them set up in here. If I changed anything, a lot of them I didn't need to change. But here's a 79 chorus. And as you can hear, without it, with it, it just really opens your bass sound up a lot.